Good morning, Major. You should be happy. You're finally getting the reinforcements you've been asking for.
Really? The units I tried to requisition?
Not exactly. I'm bringing in another field commander to work in conjunction with you on joint operations.
Wonderful. Does this have anything to do with the information the Bishop gave us on Project GARM?
I'm sorry, the entire matter has been classified Need to Know, and you already know everything you need to regarding the incident. Ah, Major Thomas, welcome. Do you know Major Parker?
Hello, Director. Pleasure to be serving under you, ma'am. Major Parker, I don't know, ma'am. Except by reputation, of course.
Glad to have you on board for this one, Thomas. You and Major Parker can get acquainted during loading. Now both of you look at your briefing screens. The Order of the New Dawn has established a strong outpost in the region. We must capture the base before further reinforcements are sent in. The base is heavily defended by several Tier 7 Guana turrets.
Oh, you know one of those T-7s can cut a pterodine to shreds faster than you can spit, ma'am.
Yes, quite. However, the turrets require huge amounts of energy to operate, and destroying a power generator within the base will disable them. Major Parker, your task force will be dropped to the east of the base. Your job will be to destroy the power plant. Tactical recommends using the cliffs around the base to your advantage. Major Thomas, 5 minutes after Major Parker's team has been dropped, you will force your way into the base from the west and north.
So it looks like if Major Parker's team fouls up, they'll be shipping me and my boys back in very small boxes.
My people don't foul up, Thomas. Got that?
I sure hope so.
So do I, Thomas. When the turrets are disabled, Major Parker's team will assist you in obliterating the rest of the base. That is all.
New drop zone. Dropship entering atmosphere. Mission update. The second strike team will commence their assault on the Order base in 5 minutes. You must destroy the Order power generator marked on your tactical map before they begin the attack.
Okay, Commander, we're moving out.
Move order received.
Enemy attacking Squad 3.
Move order received.
Moving at once, Major.
Move order received.
Squad 3 recharging.
On my way.
Enemy attacking Squad 3.
Okay, Commander. Affirmative. Move order received.
Moving right away, Major.
Enemy attacking Squad 3. Squad 3 recharging. Enemy Hoverdyne destroyed.
Okay, Commander. Move order received.
Squad 3 taking friendly
Move
fire.
order received.
Enemy Hoverdyne destroyed. Enemy attacking Squad 1. Squad 3 recharging. Enemy Hoverdyne destroyed. Squad 3 taking friendly fire.
Okay, Commander.
Moving at once, Major.
Enemy attacking Squad 3. Squad 3 recharging. Enemy Hoverdyne destroyed. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Enemy structure destroyed.
Deploying special weapon.
Enemy infantry destroyed. Enemy attacking commanding
Order
PC.
received.
Enemy structure
Right away,
destroyed.
Major.
Squad 3 taking friendly fire.
Understood. I'm on my way.
Move order received.
Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Squad 1 recharging.
Okay, Commander.
Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Enemy structure destroyed. Squad 1 recharging.
Move order received. Move order received. Understood. I'm on my way. Okay, Commander.
Enemy
Attacking your
structure
target.
destroyed.
acknowledged.
Moving at once, Major.
Affirmative. Position acknowledged.
Enemy attacking Squad 1. Squad 1 recharging. Squad 3 taking friendly fire.
Move order. Understood. I'm on my way.
Moving right away, Major.
Attention, Craven forces. This building is a medical facility. There is no one here except the wounded. We surrender. Repeat, we surrender.
Enemy warning. 2 minutes left until the second strike team will launch their assault. The order power generators must be destroyed before then.
Affirmative. Engaging. Affirmative.
Enemy structure
Attacking.
destroyed.
Affirmative. Position acknowledged. Move order received.
Enemy structure destroyed. The defense turrets have been disabled. Assist the second strike team when they arrive and destroy the remaining buildings. Enemy attacking Squad 1.
Affirmative. Position acknowledged. Understood. I'm on my way. Okay, Commander. Move order received.
Enemy attacking Squad 3. Enemy Hoverdyne destroyed.
Moving right away, Major.
Enemy Hoverdyne destroyed. Enemy Hoverdyne destroyed.
Attack order received.
Affirmative. Attacking. Attacking your target.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Moving at once, Major.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Waypoint added, Commander. Affirmative. Position acknowledged. Move
Enemy
order
structure
received.
destroyed.
Affirmative. Affirmative. Position acknowledged.
Attacking target, Major.
Okay, Commander. Okay, Commander. We're moving out.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Attack order received. I cannot reach that
Enemy
position.
structure destroyed.
Affirmative. Affirmative. Position. Attack order received. Affirmative. Affirmative.
Enemy
Engaging.
structure
Attack
destroyed.
order received. Understood. I'm on my way. Okay, attacking you. Move order received.
Attack order received.
Mission update. Major Thomas's force has touched down and will commence their assault in 20 seconds. Enemy Hoverdyne destroyed. Squad 2 taking friendly
Deploying
fire.
special weapon.
Howdy,
Enemy
Major.
structure
You
destroyed.
just sit back and watch us mop up.
Order understood.
Attacking target, Major.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Special weapon confirmed. Order understood.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Attack order received.
Enemy structure
Affirmative.
destroyed.
Engaging.
Squad 2 taking friendly fire.
Target confirmed, Major.
Affirmative.
Enemy Hoverdyne
Position
destroyed.
acknowledged.
Squad 2 taking friendly fire.
Move order
Enemy
received.
structure
Understood.
destroyed.
Affirmative. Engaging.
Attacking
Enemy
target,
structure
Major.
destroyed.
Attacking your target. Special weapon confirmed.
Enemy Hoverdyne
Order
destroyed.
understood. Move order received. Affirmative. Deploying affirmative. Attacking.
Squad 1 taking friendly fire.
Affirmative. Move order received. Understood. I'm on my way.
Squad 1 taking friendly fire.
Attack order received.
Squad 1 taking friendly fire. Enemy structure
Affirmative.
destroyed.
Position. Attack order received.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Target confirmed, Major.
Enemy attacking Squad 1. Squad 1
Attacking
taking
your
friendly
target.
fire. Enemy structure destroyed. Squad 1
Attacking
taking
target,
friendly
Major.
fire.
Move order received.
Squad 1
Understood.
taking
I'm on
friendly
my way.
fire. Enemy structure destroyed.
Affirmative. Deploy. Affirmative. Attacking.
Target
Enemy
confirmed,
structure
Major.
destroyed.
Attack order received.
Enemy structure
Affirmative.
destroyed.
Position
Squad 2
acknowledged.
taking friendly fire.
Attacking target, Major.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Move order received.
Move order received. Waypoint added, Major.
Squad 2 taking
Attacking.
friendly fire.
Affirmative. Position acknowledged.
Moving at once,
Squad
Major.
1 taking friendly fire. Squad 3 recharging. Enemy structure destroyed.
Attack
Squad
order
2
received.
taking friendly fire.
Understood. I'm on my way. Okay, Commander.
Squad 2 taking friendly
Moving right
fire.
away,
Squad
Major.
2 recharging. Squad 2 taking friendly fire.
Attacking your move order received.
Squad 1 taking friendly fire.
Move order understood. I'm on my way. Affirmative. Engaging.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Okay, Commander. Okay, Commander, we're moving out.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Understood. We will enter the APC.
Move order received.
Squad 2 recharging. Enemy structure destroyed.
Attack order received. Okay, Commander.
Moving at once, mate. Moving right away, Major.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Okay, Commander, we're moving out. Okay, box. Okay, Commander.
All right, people, that's it. We've won. Surround that field hospital and secure. The hell was that? Major Thomas, why are your men shooting? Secure those weapons!
Sorry, Parker. The only good order trooper's a dead one.
But they are surrendering. Major Thomas, stand down.
Sorry, darling. That building just sort of blew up, didn't it? What crappy construction.
You utter pig. This is not over.
Mission accomplished.
I cannot believe Thomas butchered those men, and I let him do it. What the hell has happened to me? I signed on to get off Earth, and now I sit and watch wounded men get gunned down in their beds. And that witch Hayes has the nerve to give him an initiative commendation for the mission. I'll even up the score with Thomas someday. I swear I will. I don't care how much the company loves him. Of course, right behind him is a line of other brutal bastards all wagging their tails for the company. Am I going to take them out too? When it comes right down to it, am I any better? Some days I find myself thinking the Dawnies are right. The hand of God should come down and sweep away the unworthy. We deserve it.